All Institute hamwe n'abikiri kukwatanisa nabo kikore kiri kubasika cyona okurebekanga itarinda amahamba kugira ngo inyama yishore kumanya ky'empundu yatungaho kumanetaho mu Eihanga. Ekitongore iki nkibyare mitero kwingana emitwaro mukaga buri mwaka omutange cya Albert omyaka igane hingwire akaba hariho ky'empundu ziri kwingana miliyoni 2 konko bwahati hariho ky'empundu emitwaro 13.15 mahanga 21 gonka gukonka hariyezi Uganda inaho ky'empundu ziri kwingana 15
mulide munsi yonna amazige gagenda gakendera okuva mu myaka gya 19 mpaka kati amazige gakendedde okuva mu kadde nga 2 gakendedde nnyo kulabika nti kati munsi yonna tulinawo amazige katono waggulu wa mitwalo 10 ate mu Uganda tulabika nti okubala kwe twali tukozeeko amazike gawera 15 nakatonotono okusinga kwawo.
Dr. Joshua Rukundo uyibemberime hurreje nagira ngo bwahati ehurre ibaraho no kurebekangwa abantu baturage n'enyamesha urebekangu n'abana barikuza kwijo mu myaka yo mesho beija kuzishangaho
wongera obwagazi bw'obutonde kubanga abana bato bano bebagenda okulira ensi zaffe zino bebagenda okweyagalira mu nsi yaffe no mu maaso ate ebyobutonde bigenda bigwawo bigenda bikendeera nga nange wabadde agamba okulakulana kwetagisa okulakulana kuyamba fa abantu kugenda mu maaso naye n'ebyobutonde tubyetaaga oba ebibira oba amazzi ag'ennyanja oba amazzi ag'omubitobazi n'ebirala byonna.
Dr. James Byamukama uri Executive Director wa Jane Goodall Institute Uganda nagira ngo kyagemesereze Dr. James okutandikaho ehurreji no kurebekangwa abantu bataha kumwe n'enyamesha hataino rukutahiriro ndijo gukande ekintu cy'umugemesereze kutandikaho na project ndijo irikumanya nka Roots and Shoots project egendere kureta abana bato mu ntekateka yo kurinda enyamesha.
Jane herself is a naturalist. She's not a scientist, the founder. And in her own words, she describes a naturalist as somebody who interacts with nature, with apathy, intuition, and learning. So in her earlier days, as I said, Jane just watched the chimpanzees until when she made a landmark that no one ever knew and changed the books of science and history, that the chimpanzees could also use tools that was known to be a preserve of human beings.
Shivan Kamjisha uri coordinator w'ekitongore iki yahiga abanyamakuru gumana bakwatanisa n'ebitongore nkebi kurebekangwa enyamesha zarindwa mu Eihanga.
And we have a lot of the young generation who may be wanting to, have a direction in their careers, but also get to know what she's doing and be inspired by her work. And that's where you, the media, come in. We need you to amplify this, visit the events that we have talked about, the public lecture. Please spread the word so that we can have as much quorum as possible and we get the young youth also to be part of this and be inspired by her work. That's how we can make change.
Makuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano, our Sky TV, again shown.